Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different ways that you can start earning a passive income online. So stick around. Hey, what's up, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about ways that you can start making money through online that'll bring you passive income. So if you're tired of working for your boss or you're tired of living from paycheck to paycheck, then this video will definitely show you how you can start earning money to become financially free. But before I get into that, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you guys are new here, I invite you to subscribe if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online. And since you're already there, might as well hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So on to the topic of this video. I'm going to be sharing 4 different methods that you can use to start earning money passively. So just to give you guys a quick disclaimer, it's going to take you guys a lot of work in order to be able to earn a passive income with these methods. But if you're willing to do what it takes, then you're definitely going to see the results that you want to see. Okay, so what's the first method? The first method is going to be by creating a blog. Now there's some people out there who think that you can't make money from creating a blog, and they'd be wrong, because there's a few websites out there that earn 6 figures a month just by writing blog articles. Now let me just be clear here. If you're thinking about starting a blog, don't expect to earn 6 figures automatically. It takes a lot of time and effort in order for your blog articles to start ranking with Google. But if you enjoy writing articles and you're willing to put in the work, then I would recommend going with this method. Because once you start getting a lot of traffic to your blog, which is a lot of people to your blog, there's a few different ways that you can start to monetize it. The first way that you can monetize it is by having banner ads on your blog. But in order to have banner ads, you need to have a lot of people coming to your blog on a consistent basis. Another way that you can monetize it is by selling your own products. Whatever your blog article is about, you can sell your own products that's related to your niche. And then a third way that you can monetize your blog is by having a donate button on your homepage. Many people wouldn't mind donating to you if they believe in the cause that you're representing. If people are connecting with the message that you're putting out there on your blog, they feel more inclined to donate to you if they know it's going to a worthy cause. So that's the first way that you can start making money passively. So the second way is going to be by creating a course. So it's pretty easy to create a course. If you have a certain skill or a particular knowledge about a certain topic and you know people would be willing to pay money in order to have that knowledge or learn that skill, then you can definitely make money this way. A great website where you can host an online course is called Teachable. It's pretty easy to get started. All you have to do is just go to teachable.com, you sign up to become a teacher, you record your online course, you upload it onto Teachable, and then you set the price that you want to charge people to enroll into it. So once people start to enroll into your course, that's when you start to make money. So since this is an online course, it's going to be video based. So most people create a series of videos, sort of like a playlist, that teaches somebody how to do something step by step. And if you're uncomfortable being on camera, the only advice that I have for you is just to get over it. I'm not used to being on camera. I wasn't really comfortable when I first got started recording my YouTube videos. And you know what? I'm not really 100% comfortable right now either. But you know what? It doesn't matter. As long as I'm delivering value and I'm helping somebody learn something new, then it doesn't matter. So you should have the same mindset if you want to be successful with this method. That's just the tip that I have for you guys. So that's the second way that you can earn money passively online. So the third method is by selling stock photos. So if you've ever been to a website or if you ever did a Google image search for any kind of picture, you've probably seen a watermark image over that picture. So in order for you to be able to use that picture without the watermark, you would have to buy the rights in order to use it. So if you like to take a lot of pictures, and I'm not talking about a lot of selfie pictures, I'm talking about pictures of other people, nature scenery, and even sports, then this would be a great way for you to make money. So a website where you can buy the rights to use stock photos is called Shutterstock. But if you're interested in making money through this website, you can sign up to become a contributor and you upload your own photos. So if people are interested in buying the rights to use your photos, you get paid royalties every time somebody pays for the rights. So if you have a great photo that a lot of people like and they're willing to pay to use that photo, you can make money over and over and over again on the same photo. Because the people who come to this website to buy stock photos, they usually need it for their blog articles or their own website. But the cool thing about this website is that not only can you sell stock photos, but you can also sell vector art, stock footage, and even music. So there's multiple ways that you can use this website to make money. So lastly, the fourth method that you can use to start earning a passive income is through affiliate marketing. Now I'm pretty sure most of you have heard about affiliate marketing by now. It's been around for quite some time and it's still very effective. This is a great way to get started if you're on a tight budget, because you don't even have to have your own products in order to start making money. You're just simply promoting somebody else's product through a specific affiliate link. So whenever somebody buys a product that you're promoting through your link, then that's when you make a commission. There are free affiliate programs that you can get started with and start promoting products with today. The two most common ones are ClickBank and Amazon Associates. Almost any product that you can think of, you can promote. But in order to become successful with affiliate marketing, you have to really understand how marketing works. You have to know who to promote your affiliate offers to and why they should buy from you. You see, I talk about how to get people to buy from you all the time in my videos. That's why I recommend you guys to subscribe to my channel. But once you understand how to do this, you can definitely earn 6 figures a year. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So what this free ebook does is it helps you decide what niche to promote and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. So I recommend you guys go and check that out. It's completely free. And if you want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to earning a passive income online, you can check out the link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys learned something, or at least you got some kind of value out of it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.